Hello. Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I told you about weight of our Earth. Let's start. It would be more proper to ask, what is the mass of planet Earth? The quick answer to that is approximately 6 by 1024 kilograms. The interesting sub-question is, how did anyone figure that out? It's not like the planet steps onto the scale each morning before it takes a shower. The measurement of the planet's weight is derived from the gravitational attraction that the Earth has for objects near it. It turns out that any two masses have a gravitational attraction for one another. If you put two bowling balls near each other, they will attract one another gravitationally. The attraction is extremely slight, but if your instruments are sensitive enough, you can measure the gravitational attraction that two bowling balls have on one another. From that measurement, you could determine the mass of the two objects. The same is true for two golf balls, but the attraction is even slighter because the amount of gravitational force depends on mass of the objects. Newton showed that, for spherical objects, you can make the simplifying assumption that all of the object's mass is concentrated at the center of the sphere. The following equation expresses the gravitational attraction that two spherical objects have on one another. All about experiments. How to make elephant toothpaste. How to make slime. Why do we experiment on mice? Three famous hypotheses and how they were tested. F equals G, m1 asterisk m2, r2. F is the force of attraction between them. G is a constant that is 6.67259 x 10 to 11 cubic meters per kilogram s2. m1 and m2 are the two masses that are attracting each other. R is the distance separating the two objects. Assume that Earth is one of the masses, m1, and a 1 kilogram sphere is the other, m2. The force between them is 9.8 kilograms asterisk meter per square second. We can calculate this force by dropping the 1 kilogram sphere and measuring the acceleration that the Earth's gravitational field applies to it, 9.8 meters per square second. The radius of the Earth is 6,400,000 meters, 6,999,125 yards. If you plug all of these values in and solve for m1, you find that the mass of the Earth is 6,000,000,000 kilograms, 6 by 1024 kilograms, or 1.3 by 1025 pounds. It is more proper to ask about mass rather than weight because weight is a force that requires a gravitational field to determine. You can take a bowling ball and weigh it on the Earth and on the Moon. The weight on the Moon will be 1/6 that on the Earth, but the amount of mass is the same in both places. To weigh the Earth, we would need to know in which object's gravitational field we want to calculate the weight. The mass of the Earth, on the other hand, is a constant. That's it. Thanks for watching videos. Please like videos.